This video is referred to as a virtual tour, but it's not entirely true. It's really a look at the people in our Milwaukee plant who protect the reputations of our clients, and it stems from the goal of helping clients eliminate wastes and risks of all kinds. And you'll see how we do that as we walk through our Milwaukee plant, which I will say it's a quintessential turn-of-the-century Milwaukee building. It's Cream City brick, used to be a trolley depot. The rail lines are still in the ground. It's really a special place when you get a chance to walk through it. And so we're going to make our way to our first stop, which is going to be our unloading area. We're in our offloading area, and when I filmed this, we were offloading a non-hazardous machine coolant. And you can see the water is passing through a fine screen to help remove any solids. Now, this part's commonly thought of as the first step in treatment, but it's really a misnomer, because what you didn't see just a few minutes ago is Jordan, off to my right, pulling a sample from the truck. Now here's Jordan just a few minutes ago with that sample that he pulled, and what's really important about this is we want to make sure that what's on the truck matches with what the waste certification statement says. And now we're in the lab with Mike, who just received the sample from Jordan, and he's going to run analytical and confirm that the sample matches the waste certification statement. And that's really important because it eliminates the risks associated with surprises like hazardous constituents, cross-contamination, improper disposal, all of which are serious risks to our clients. Now back at our offload bay, what you might not notice is that this tanker is hazardous rated and it transports under vacuum with double valve protection, and that eliminates two risks for our clients. One, of leaking in transit, and two, it protects a client's liability if we pick up material that's supposed to be non-hazardous, but after analytical we find out that it's really hazardous. Now this driver, after he's unloaded, he's going to head over to our tank wash where he'll either get a rinse out or a certified clean wash depending where his next pickup is. And the next spot for us is to go up to our catwalk to see how the treatment process happens. This is the entry to our catwalk, and my ambition in showing you this is to illustrate how flexible our Milwaukee operation is in bulk treatment of different types of waste streams. That's important because the more efficient we can treat wastewater and varying types of wastewater like oils, metals, organics, we can eliminate the risks of backups and service interruptions for our clients, which dramatically would affect their production. And so this flexibility gives our clients peace of mind knowing that when they call us for a pickup, it's not going to be 2 weeks out. We're going to be able to schedule efficiently, and allows us to do some things that are pretty amazing, even next day, same day, emergency day pickups, which is some of our clients is incredibly important. What's happening here is I'm with Jordan on the catwalk adjacent to a large bulk tank that probably has around 5,000 or 6,000 gallons of wastewater in it. And what he's doing is performing a bench test to find out what the pH needs to be to treat that wastewater to remove the contaminants. And it looks like that number is 6.46. And so what we're going to do now is set up that pH reader inside the tank and begin adjustment to the wastewater. And that's either done by adding a acidic or a caustic solution to bring the pH up or down. And as you take a look inside here, you'll be able to see what that wastewater looks like before the treatment even begins. When you treat wastewater, you're really generating clean, reusable water. And this is where that process comes to life. We're now off the catwalk, and we're down at the point where the contaminants have been removed and we've got clean water. And at this point, it's sent to the municipal water treatment plant here in Milwaukee, that's MMSD, where it will receive a final treatment, and then it's going to be returned into Lake Michigan, and the water cycle starts over again. And annually we treat 50 million gallons of wastewater across our company, and we can't do that without an extraordinary team, without people like Jordan. And Jordan was nice enough to allow me to tag along with him throughout his day, and something special about him is he was nominated by his peers and awarded Plant Technician of the Year recently. And it's special people like Jordan and the rest of the people at all our plants who make what we do a reality for our clients. And I encourage anyone who wants to truly understand how their waste is being handled to visit one of our treatment plants and join us on a tour. And we hope to see you soon.